Tired of bland vegetable soups? Get ready to discover a seriously good vegetable soup that's bursting with fresh, wholesome flavors. This hearty homemade recipe will change the way you think about vegetable soup forever. This versatile soup is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking to warm up on a cold day, nurture someone under the weather, or simply have a healthy side dish ready for the week, this soup has got you covered. It's vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free, making it suitable for almost everyone. One of the best things about this soup is its flexibility when it comes to vegetables. While onion, carrots, and celery form the base, you can add 2 cups of seasonal vegetables to make it more substantial and interesting. Some great options include sweet potatoes, butternut squash, green beans, bell peppers, cauliflower, zucchini, or fresh greens like kale or spinach. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. We start by sautéing the chopped onion, celery, carrots, and your chosen seasonal vegetables in olive oil with a bit of salt. This step softens the vegetables and enhances their flavors. Next, we add minced garlic, curry powder, and dried thyme, sautéing for about a minute to wake up their flavors without risking burnt garlic. The secret ingredient that makes this soup stand out is curry powder. Don't worry, we're not using much, just enough to add a subtle warmth and intrigue to the flavor profile. You might not even be able to identify it, but it makes a world of difference. We then add canned diced tomatoes with their juices and cook them together for a couple of minutes. This helps reduce any tinny flavors from the can. After that, we pour in vegetable broth and water, along with bay leaves, red pepper flakes, and a little more salt. The soup then simmers gently for 25 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. In the final stage, we add chopped fresh greens and let them simmer for 5 minutes to soften. Just before serving, we brighten up the soup with a big squeeze of lemon juice and a splash of olive oil for rich flavor. These final touches really elevate the taste, so don't skip them. This seriously good vegetable soup is not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet and can be easily customized to your liking. Serve it with some crusty bread for a complete meal, or enjoy it as a light and healthy option on its own. However you choose to enjoy it, this soup is sure to become a new favorite in your recipe collection.